Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable the face tracking on Roblox. First of all, you have to click on this three dot. Now you have to scroll down and click on this settings. Now if you want to enable the face tracking, click on this privacy. Now in the privacy you have to scroll down and you will see this permission here, camera input. So to get the face tracking you have to enable this. So you can see that here clearly written here that use camera to animate your avatar with your movement, means that it will use your camera to track your movement, and it will sync with your avatar. So once you enable this and the green dot shows that Roblox is using your camera, once you enable it you just need to open any game that supports face tracking. To know which game is supporting camera or face tracking, just open a game and scroll down and go to its specification and go to in communication and check whether the game is supports microphone or camera or not. So if it supports camera, it means it supports face tracking. Now let's open any game and do face tracking. The game is open, guys. You just need to click on this Roblox icon and enable this basically the click on the video icon and click on the face cam also. Now as you can see, if I move and it started face tracking, if I move my head, that you can, as you can see, if I move my head left and right, you can see it's moving as well and it's tracking my face movement. So yeah, that's how you can get it.